Hi guys, welcome to ITR Expert again. In today's exercise we will do some data entry and simple math in Excel. We need to do multiplications and additions of two numbers, also calculate totals using the formula sum. We will understand the difference between relative and absolute references. Firstly, we need to draw both tables. When selecting the table cells, we leave the totals outside and we apply the all borders formatting from the home ribbon. Then we will select the top row of each table and apply a grey fill color for the headings. Finally, we need to resize the columns, as some of the headings do not fit. We select the three columns at the same time and drag the first column wider. Once the tables are ready, we can start the data entry task, inputting the numbers on the left text box inside our tables. We do one column at a time. We enter the first number. We press enter and the cursor will move to the next row, ready to input the next number. Finish the first column, we move to the second one. We enter the top number and press enter to enter the next one, and so on. We will complete both tables before starting to work on formulas. Excellent! We are ready now. We start the formula with equal. We click on the first number, press the key times, click on the second number and finish the formula with enter. To practice and get faster, we can do the same for all rows. If you are confident enough, you can copy and paste the first formula to the whole column, or apply the formula dragging down the fill handle. Good job! Now let's have a look to what relative reference mean. Double-clicking on a cell with the formula, the boxes of the cell involved in the formulas appear and show us what pattern the formula follow. Usually they are in the same row. When we copy and paste a formula down, the boxes of the next formula also move down, following the same pattern. Now let's have a look to what absolute reference mean. We move to the next table where we need to calculate the VAT for the series of number on the first column. We need to multiply the cost without VAT for the VAT percentage in the blue box. Let's start with equal. Click on the first cell, press the times key, click on the VAT cell and then finalize the formula with enter. Let's copy and paste the first formula to the whole column, or apply the formula dragging down the fill handle. How you can see, something is wrong. We have a bunch of zeros. Quite impossible, isn't it? Let's find the problem as the formulas are not working as expected. See? When we copied and pasted the formula, both boxes moved down one row, but we need the second value to remain in the blue box where the VAT percentage is. Following row? Same problem. This time 2 boxes down. And the next. 3 boxes down. But how can we fix the problem?
We need to use the absolute reference. We need to block the second cell, so it doesn't move down when copied and pasted.
That's correct. Let's clear the formula and start again. We will apply the absolute references this time. We start with equal, then we click on the first cell, we press the key times, then we click on the blue box with the VAT percentage. Now we need to activate the absolute reference. We need to block the blue cell. To do so, we need to press the key F4 on the keyboard. The function for key will add $sign before the letter and a $sign before the number of the second cell reference. The $sign will block the reference of the cell. The $sign before the letter will block the column, before the number will block the row. When is in both, it will block both column and row. Let's finalize the formula with enter and copy and paste the formula down to see if it worked. It does! Great job! Now we need to calculate the price with VAT by adding the VAT value to the cost without VAT. We start with equal, select the first cell, plus, second cell, enter. Then we apply the formula to the whole column by dragging down the fill handle. All good now. Let's calculate the totals for both tables using the AutoSum shortcut. Select the cell. AutoSum, enter to finalize the formula. Again. Select the cell. AutoSum, enter to finalize the formula. As this table is about money, let's format the numbers as accounting. Let's select the whole table, go to the Home ribbon, go in the Cell Formatting area, and click on the Accounting shortcut. Now we will create a graph to compare the cost without the VAT and the final cost with VAT. As we don't want to include the column in the middle, we need to select only the first and the last column. To do so, we select the first column, we hold the selection holding down the Control key, then we start selecting the last column, keep holding the Control key. Make sure you do not include the totals in the selection, to have a better scale. Including the totals will distort the perception of the other figures. To create the graph, we go to the Insert ribbon, we select the column chart from the options in the middle and we select the first one. Now we drag the graph inside the box, grabbing the graph from its border. Now we add the graph title and do some formatting. When we want to move a graph, it is important we grab it from the border. If you grab it from the middle, it will mess it up. If we want to resize it, you grab it from the dots. To format the graph, we need to go in the Chart Design ribbon and we can add element on the left or change design from the middle. There you go. Well done! Don't forget to save. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.